Hey y'all, welcome back to Ensemble Boutique. This is LA, and as you can tell from the title, we'll be discussing the difference between knotless braids and regular box braids. Often I have my clients ask me, what is the difference between knotless braids and regular box braids? So here in my hand, you can see I have the regular braid, and there is a knot, as you can see. And beside it, I have the famous knotless braid. And keyword knotless, you do not see a knot. This type of braid, the knotless braid, allows free movement. Y'all, like, girl, listen. So the very first day you get your hair done, you can put it in a ponytail. Like, it's so flexible, less tension on your hair. The regular box braid, yeah, it's not as flexible. It stays in one place unless you give it time, like a few days or a few weeks, to loosen up, depending on how tight your stylist braided your hair. And that's one thing I wouldn't recommend on the very first day of getting regular braids. Do not put it up in a ponytail, sis, please do not. If you're still watching, you will now see how I accomplish both the regular braids and knotless braids. And please, your comment about my nails, keep them to yourselves, because, bitch, we're under quarantine, okay? I can't get to my nail tech, okay? So be nice to me. And also, regular braids take up more hair, so you have to use more hair than the knotless braids. I'm braiding slow so you can see how it's done. Yeah, I need a really bad manicure. Don't let me start on my feet. Oh, Jesus. And here you have it. Box braid. Boom. See? Now onto the knotless braids. Once again, keep your little comments about my nails and my manicure to yourselves. Okay, so you want to part this like you're going to braid a regular braid. But with this braid, the method is you have to feed in the hair. So depending on the size of the braid you're doing, you have to feed in different sizes into your braid. So I'm doing more like a smaller knotless braid, so I'm feeding in small amount of hair. And yes, this type of braid does take a little longer because you're feeding in hair, so it's a process. So yes, this might take, if you're getting, depending on the size of your braid, if you're getting small, yes, it may take 12 to 13 hours. I'm sorry, but unless you go to a salon where the stylist has assistant, but unlike me, I'm not a big time stylist. I don't have an assistant, so yes, this does take me about 12 to 13 hours, especially if you want it super long. It takes longer. And there you go, you have it. Boom. Knotless braid. Thank you so much for watching. This concludes my video on knotless braids versus regular box braids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My hair page is _ensemble_boutique. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Have a great day. Stay blessed.